The eccentric negative pull-up focuses on the lowering phase of the exercise, which builds strength and control. This is a fantastic way to build pulling strength and progress toward completing your first full unassisted pull-up. Here's how to do it correctly. If needed, place a bench, box, or step to help you start at the top of the pull-up position. Grab the bar with an overhand grip close to shoulder width apart with your palms facing away from you. To get into the starting position, jump or use assistance to bring your chin above the bar. Control your descent as you lower yourself as slowly as possible, aiming for at least a 3 to 5 second descent. The slower you descend, the more strength you'll build. Engage your back, biceps, core, glutes, and legs to keep your body straight and stable while avoiding excessive swinging or bending. You can also cross your legs and bend your knees if it helps you stabilize your body. Continue to lower yourself until you fully extend your arms at the bottom of the movement. Stand back up on the bench, box, or step, then jump up to return to the top of the pull-up, then repeat another slow and controlled negative pull-up. Repeat for reps. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.